All right, home cooks, let's dive into making a classic French onion soup right in your own kitchen. This recipe is rich, hearty, and topped with that irresistible cheesy toasty goodness. First up, grab 4 large yellow onions and slice them thinly. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add those onions and stir to coat them evenly. This is where patience pays off. Cook for 30-40 minutes, stirring frequently until they're deep golden brown. If you're in a hurry, add a teaspoon of sugar halfway through to speed up caramelization. Next, let's deglaze. Stir in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for about a minute until fragrant. Pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine if you like, scraping up those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Let it simmer for 2-3 minutes to reduce slightly. Now it's time to add 6 cups of beef broth, or mix it up with chicken broth if you prefer. Toss in 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, or 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, and a bay leaf. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cover and cook for 20-30 minutes to let those flavors meld together. Remember to remove the thyme sprigs and bay leaf before serving. For that classic topping, preheat your oven to broil. Arrange 4-6 slices of baguette or crusty bread on a baking sheet, and toast until golden brown on both sides. Sprinkle 1½ cups of grated Gruyère cheese, or mix with some Parmesan, generously on top. Ladle the hot soup into oven-safe bowls, place the toasted bread on top, cheese side up, and broil for 2-3 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Carefully remove the bowls from the oven. They'll be hot. Serve immediately with extra bread on the side. There you have it. This classic French onion soup is the ultimate in comfort food. Bon appétit!